talking about what this is.
Right. So let's just get right into it.
You want to get right into it?
Yeah.
Are we on right now?
No, let's just get right into it though.
Am I on camera?
Yep.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
Frank, you coming on? You don't want any part of this, does you? No. We're on? We're rolling. Hey, this is Jeff at MR Brewer. First Facebook Live video. Here with my marketing guru. And we're going to talk about cabinets and what goes on in our cabinet shop. This here's our quarter-sawn red oak fridge cabinet with a freezer also integrated into it. And on the lower cabinet we have a warming oven. And we're in the staging part of this process. Built the cabinet this week, got it all assembled before it goes to finish. We like to set them all up, make sure everything fits the way it's supposed to. And then we go ahead and fit the doors, fine-tune everything, disassemble it, and send it to finish. When we bring it to your house, it works right. Otherwise, we have problems. These are some glass doors that go in this upper cabinet right here. They're in the process of getting fit. Right now, they've been rough-sized. They haven't been fine-tuned yet. So we set them in here, and we have spaces made a little under an 1/8 inch. We use those spaces to make sure our reveals look even all the way around. And then we hinge the doors and hang them.
Can you talk a little about the type of wood?
This is quarter-sawn red oak. We're doing a lot of oak lately, a lot of white oak, quarter-sawn, and quarter-sawn red oak. Regular plain sawn, it's kind of lost favor, but quarter-sawn really looks good. And we're going to put a stain on it. It's going to look really nice.
Is this custom piece?
This is a custom piece designed in our office by our designer Tavia. She designed it, shaker style doors, inset. Very common for us. We're a traditional cabinet shop with our face frames and inset. That's the majority of our cabinetry. We're starting to stretch ourselves a little bit, go frameless, the way all the trends are going. But this is what we do best, I think. So we can head this way. I'll show you some other things going on in the shop. This is another piece to that same kitchen. This is the island. Not quite as far along in the process. We've got drawers in. We've got our spaces. We've got our front sitting here, ready to be fit. They just haven't been fit yet. So that'll happen on Monday. We'll get into the stain and finish on Tuesday and install the week after next. So that's the goal. Keep going down. There's another cabinet. This is a painted version, same kitchen, but this is going to be painted. It's made out of soft maple. We use MDF for our slab fronts because it paints up well. It doesn't move. It's stable. We like it. And this again is ready for finish. It's all been finished here. It's ready to go. Everything's fit. So this is going in the spray room on Monday. This is a finished cabinet that's getting delivered on Monday. Different style than what we usually do. Sorry about the noise and the awkward car. So this is a frameless cabinet. The TV cabinet. This is a satin one. We did a high gloss once. Same color on the other end of the shop. This is assembled. We assembled this yesterday to make sure the finish looks good. Make sure everything works well, and we're going to wrap it up and ship it out Monday morning. So that's pretty cool. Hopefully the customer likes it. This is where a lot of the milling happens in the shop. This is a big piece of equipment for us. It's a 5-head molder. This is what we use to make all of our custom moldings for anybody around, actually. We do every kind of molding you can think of, but for our own personal cabinets and jobs, we do crown moldings and all the face frames and everything that comes through the shop. This is a crown molder we just did last week. Took it off a house up on the hill. It's probably a 100-year-old house. They can't buy this molding, so they come to us and we make a template of it, and we run it through the molder, and there you go.
So where's that going to go?
This is going up on the hill. We got a job going on Munjoy Street. This is for the front fascia roof trim. So We had to make a couple pieces of that. These are different heads that go in the machine with different knives that we've ground, different profiles for every kind of different trim. As we need them, they're really heavy, we leave them on the cart. But as we need different heads, we bring them into the grinding room and switch the knives out to different profiles. Put them into the machine, fire it up, you put it in a square board, it comes out with whatever profile you need. Works pretty slick. We've had this for quite a while, and it's been an integral part of our business. It's something we can offer that not a lot of people have. So
It helps you go custom.
yes, this helps us with any profile. It's very helpful. That's the molder. This is the other area of the milling. This is our straight line rip saw. Planer, joiner. It's all pretty basic stuff. Where we keep all our lumber. Got time saver sander. That's well, it's just like what it says. It's a time saver. It makes our life a lot easier when it comes to finished products. So we're pretty happy with this. This is new 2 years ago. It's our panel saw. Use this for cutting all our sheet goods. We've had this for a while. It works good. It's our CNC. This is probably the best, most important piece of equipment in the shop right now, other than the guy that programs it. This is what we use to cut all our parts. Cuts our curved trim, curved jams, anything you can think of. It's basically a giant printer, and Scott does our programming and we run it out here. It works pretty slick. So, I don't know if you have any questions on that, Topher. And this is Frank's bench, Mark's bench, back around the shop.
Let's go check the dovetails.
Want to check out the dovetail? These are our drawers. These are soft maple drawers with a 1/2-inch bottom. We use dovetail drawer. We dovetail all our drawers because we like the way it looks. It's strong, quality, and these have all been fit. The only thing missing on them is the stamp. We stamp all our drawers with our logo. That hasn't happened yet. And then these are going to finish. And we use 1/2-inch bottoms on these ones because the customer is going to be freighting them, so we want to make sure they're nice and rugged. They don't fail on us. We use 1/4-inch bottoms on standard drawers, but on a kitchen like this where they've specified they're going to be putting heavy things in the drawers, we make sure we use 1/2-inch bottoms. And that makes a big difference. So that's where we're at. First episode. Hopefully you guys liked it. Thanks.